Hi listeners, today I will show you how to make success Fiverr and get good job online. So let's go start. If you wanted to start your career as a freelancer, you should building a good portfolio website. Let me check which type of website you building. For example, I will show my portfolio website. To check that portfolio section, I will add my previous client work sample. You also add your portfolio section, add your previous client section work sample, so it's useful the client to get more project. Add good video Fiverr. When you create Fiverr account, you should make the Fiverr gigs professional. You can also add personally, or you can purchase someone who service provided Fiverr to building video. You can spend some USD for purchase the video. When I complete my video, I will share the seller link. Don't share any personal information. When you work any client, sometimes client ask your personal information. You don't share any client to share your personal information, so you lost account and you don't work Fiverr anytime. So don't share any client to share your personal information like that. Escape your email address and any other personal information. Always try to online. If you wanted to Fiverr earning good, so you try to online always all time, and you can use your phone or personal computer to use them use for online all time. How to get you buyer request and buyer information? Let's go, I'll show you that. When you submit the offer, you get the username. Just copy it and search Skype. You get sometime here information. Most of the client use their user ID, use Skype, so it's very good technique for get the buyer information. Now I will told you how to get good job. If you wanted to freelancer online based job, you will search different hosting company like SiteGround, GoDaddy and other company like that. Fiverr sometime they hire professional web developer and content writer also. Here you saw that many jobs are offering in the Fiverr company. Here you get the option how to apply the position. So if you are suitable for the position, they contact with you immediately and we get good job. So listener, thank you watching my useful technique and useful video. If you have any issues, contact with me. I will share more useful video. Thank you.